Gram atom. 1 mole of atoms is called gram atom, or gram atomic mass of any substance is called a gram atom. 1 mole of atoms are nothing but Avogadro number of atoms, means 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. This 1 mole of atoms is also called 1 gram atom. And the mass of 1 mole of atoms is equal to its gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass are molar mass of atoms. Mass of 1 mole of atoms. Mass of 1 mole of atoms is called gram atomic mass. 1 mole of atoms contains Avogadro number of atoms. It is also called 1 gram atom, and the mass of 1 mole of atoms is equal to its gram atomic mass. For example, 1 mole of helium atoms. 1 mole of helium atoms contains Avogadro number of helium atoms. That is equal to 1 gram atom of helium. 1 mole of helium atoms is also called 1 gram atom of helium, which is equal to gram atomic mass. Helium gram atomic mass is 4 grams. 1 mole of helium atom's mass is equal to 4 grams. 1 mole of lithium atoms. Whatever the substance, 1 mole contains Avogadro number of atoms. Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 power 23. 1 mole of lithium atoms contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 lithium atoms. It is also called as 1 gram atom of lithium. And the gram atomic mass of lithium is 7 grams. 1 mole of lithium atom's mass is 7 grams. 1 mole of carbon atoms. 1 mole of carbon atoms means Avogadro number of carbon atoms. That is also called 1 gram atom of carbon, and the gram atomic mass of carbon is 12 grams. So, 1 mole of carbon atom's mass is 12 grams. 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. 1 mole of nitrogen atoms contains Avogadro number of nitrogen atoms, which is also called as 1 gram atom of nitrogen, and the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen is 14 grams. Gram atomic mass of nitrogen is 14 grams. So 1 mole of nitrogen atom's mass is 14 grams. Next, 2 moles of hydrogen atoms. 2 moles are equal to 2 into Avogadro number. 2 into 6.023 into 10 power 23 hydrogen atoms. And 2 moles are equal to 2 gram atoms. 2 moles of hydrogen atoms are also called as 2 gram atoms of hydrogen. 1 mole of hydrogen atom mass is 1 gram. Gram atomic mass of hydrogen is equal to 1 gram. Means mass of 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to 1 gram. Here 2 moles are there. So 2 moles of hydrogen atoms mass is equal to 2 into 1. That is equal to 2 grams. 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to 1 gram. 1 mole of hydrogen atoms are equal to 1 gram. 2 moles of hydrogen atoms are equal to 2 grams. Next, 5 moles of oxygen atoms. 5 moles. 5 moles means 5 into Avogadro number. 6.023 into 10 power 23 oxygen atoms. 5 moles are also called as 5 gram atoms of oxygen. 5 moles of oxygen atoms are also called as 5 gram atoms of oxygen. And the mass of 5 moles of oxygen atoms is equal to 5 into 16, that is equal to 80 grams, because mass of 1 mole of oxygen is equal to 16 grams. This is also called as gram atomic mass of oxygen. Gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 grams. So 5 moles of oxygen atoms mass is 5 into 16, that is equal to 80 grams.